Hello. This week, we were responsible for reading nonfiction books. I hope that you found some books that you enjoyed. In those nonfiction texts that you were reading this week, you should have discovered a lot of text features. What are text features? Text features can be bold print. You see how the word bold is in a darker black than the word print? That is called bold print. Sometimes a text feature could include colored print, highlighting, italics when the words are slanted. Capital letters are examples of text features. Smaller letters than the regular words on the page. Diagrams. Remember, a diagram tells you the parts of a picture. So this diagram is showing the different parts of an eye. Timelines are also text features. Captions let you know what the photo is going to be about or what the photo is including. For example, in this caption, I see a mother kangaroo and a baby kangaroo, but I don't have to assume that that's what it is. I can read the caption, and it says the baby kangaroo lives in a pouch, and there go the little baby kangaroo in the pouch. Bullets are also a type of text features, and it helps us to organize information. Another text feature is table of contents, and you can find a table of contents in the very beginning of a book. Remember, when you read nonfiction books, you don't have to read it from the front cover to the back. You can pick a topic that interests you, and the table of contents will tell you exactly what page you need to go to. The index also tells you where you can find information in a nonfiction text, and the index is always going to be located in the back of the book. Graphs are also included in most nonfiction books, and it helps us organize information. And sometimes you'll also see maps. So today we're going to play this game called Can You Find Text Features? And we're going to see if we can find some of the text features on the sheet that you had to do in this story called Rock on Crystals and Geoids. Okay? So I'm going to flip through the book and see if I can find some bold print, some diagrams, an index, heading, bullets, illustrations, glossary, and any other text feature that'll help me to read this book. So when I flip it over, already I see a table of contents, and that table of contents tells me where I can find all of the information in this particular book. So I'm going to look at my nonfiction text scavenger hunt, and I'm going to find the word table of contents, and it's right over here. Where? Right there. So I found it on the very first page. So right here on my sheet, I'm just going to write first page. Excuse my handwriting. All right. Also, on the very first page is a photo. Oh, and it's showing a diamond. Oh, I like diamonds. So right here, I found that on the first page. I'm gonna write on my scavenger hunt form. I can locate that information on the first page. Well, now remember, books don't just have one text feature. Most of the time they have more than one. Okay, now that I'm on the second page, I already see who knows what those are called. If you said bold words, you're absolutely correct. So on page 2, I found bold words. So I'm gonna write 2 on it. Okay. Let's see if we can find any more, if we can find a heading. Oh, plenty of headings on page 3. So on page 3, I have headings, and the headings let me know what each section is going to be about. So underneath the word shape, I'm going to learn all about shapes. Underneath the bold, underneath the heading colors, that's where I can find information about colors, transparency, and size. And we call that text feature a heading. Headings on page 4 was examples of headings. Okay, we're going to see if we can find one more text feature. And over here are examples of bullets. So right here on page 5 is examples of bullets, and bullets help us to organize information. And in this case, it's organized like a checklist. So when it says, how can this feature help you? The bullets help you to organize information. Okay. And I'm gonna look for one more. I'm gonna see if they have a glossary. And normally the glossaries are at the back of the book as well. And there we go. This story, or this nonfiction book, has a glossary. And you can find that glossary on page 46. So right here on my scavenger hunt, text feature scavenger hunt form, I'm gonna put page 46. And why are glossaries helpful? Look, if you didn't know what a crystal was, you can go to the glossary and it's gonna tell you the definition. A crystal is a solid substance in which atoms and molecules form repeating patterns. So remember, the glossary is like a dictionary at the back of the book. All right? So remember, text features helps us to locate information in nonfiction text. It makes it easier for us to read. So make sure that you discover text features when you're reading this week and fill out your form. Until next time, see you later.